Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Friday, September 6th. Yeah, I'm glad it's Friday too. It's been a rough week for the market. And when we look at the news for today, coming from forexfactory.com, you can see that the U.S. had non-farm employment change, which this came in below expectation at 142,000 versus 164,000. So not a great number. It says that the labor market is slowing down. However, the unemployment rate stayed unchanged at 4.2%. So, that's a mixed information here. Our average hourly earnings was slightly better than expected at 0.4% versus 0.3%. So this is actually a good thing because that means people are making more money. So making more money, less employment change, bad. Unemployment staying unchanged, not particularly interesting. The only other thing we have today is at 8:45, we have FOMC member Williams speaking, which is about right now. So we'll see if it changes anything. I doubt that it will, but is what it is. So moving on, looking at the charts, we have 3 days down from yesterday, and we're gapping down very slightly today. Remember, the market loves 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So we could easily have an update today after 3 days down. Good probability that it will be an update today. That being said, we could also be moving towards the 5th day down. So there you have it. Volume still very anemic. Nothing to write home about volume-wise. Looks like we have broken down from this bull flag. We've broken to the downside. Not a good sign at all. At best, we're going to probably go sideways. At worst, we'll continue to go down. So where could we go? I think we could go back up to 55.64 area. Certainly within reach. The overnight lows, maybe down to that low volume node, 54.36 is certainly within reach. Looking at the inventory yesterday was positive. Anytime we have down price movement, positive, this is a big red flag because the market's not doing what you expect it to. The market goes down, you expect contracting inventory. Not the case. So because of that, that's very interesting. It almost looks like we've got some buy the dip folks starting to step in. We'll have to wait and see if they are influential enough to stop the movement to the downside. Looking at the overnight action, 55.15 all the way down to 54.66. That's approximately 49 points. That is above average, so volatility is definitely higher than expected, higher than average. And there you have it. Where's our internal or intraday support and resistance? You can see a big resistance area around 55.56. And then you go up a little bit. 5,600 is the two big numbers we're watching on the top side. Obviously, 55.80 is also involved there. But those are the main resistance numbers. Support, the 54, 60, I'm going to call that 54.64. Of course, the round number at 54.50, dropping down to 54.20, 5400. I can't believe I'm saying it. 5400 is certainly within range. So there you have it. There's your support and resistance areas for the day. Stock Trader's Almanac is 52.4% for today. Now, you may be thinking, gee, Troy, 54.2 has been the number. And actually, it made me think about it. And the number has been the same Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All 52.4. Don't know if that means anything, but it is a coincidence of some note. Hope you have a great weekend. And remember, always hold those stops tight and happy trading. It's going to be a tough one. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.